Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable smart sprinkler control with Rachio and Alexa. Full guide step by step clearly. To enable smart sprinkler control with Rachio and Alexa, first, ensure that your Rachio sprinkler system is fully installed and functioning. Next, download the Rachio app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the Rachio app and log into your account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the prompts. Once logged in, tap on the settings icon in the top corner of the main screen. Select integrations from the list of options. Find the Alexa integration option and tap on it. You may need to link your Amazon account, so follow the on-screen prompts to do this. After linking, return to the Rachio app and ensure the integration shows as active. Next, open the Amazon Alexa app on your smartphone. In the Alexa app, tap on the menu icon in the top left corner. Select Skills and Games from the menu. Use the search feature to find the Rachio skill. Once located, tap on the Rachio skill to open its page. Select the option to enable the skill. You will be prompted to log into your Rachio account again. After successfully logging in, your Rachio devices will be linked to Alexa. Now, you can ask Alexa to discover your Rachio sprinkler system. In the Alexa app, tap on the device's icon at the bottom right corner. Then, tap on the plus icon to add a new device. Select Add Device and choose Sprinkler. Alexa will search for your Rachio devices. Once discovered, you can rename your sprinkler zones for easier control. You can now use voice commands to control your sprinklers. For example, say, "Alexa, turn on the front yard sprinklers." Alternatively, you can say, "Alexa, set the backyard sprinkler to run for 10 minutes. Ensure your smart speaker has a good Wi-Fi. Now, your Rachio sprinkler system is fully integrated with Alexa, allowing for convenient voice control. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.